Have you ever struggled with that constant ringing in your ears? An annoying sound that never seems to go away, stealing your peace, disrupting your sleep, and leaving you more stressed every day. What if I told you that you could change this today naturally, safely, and effectively? Meet Quietum Plus, an innovative formula developed using science and nature, designed to restore your auditory health and completely transform your quality of life. Quietum Plus targets the root cause, improving circulation in the inner ear and providing relief from those bothersome sounds. Imagine waking up without that irritating noise, sleeping deeply through the night, undisturbed, hearing the world around you clearly, just like before. Quietum Plus is already changing the lives of thousands of people who faced the same struggles as you, and the best part, it's completely natural and easy to include in your daily routine. But pay attention, demand is high and supplies are running out quickly. If you want to take the first step toward a life free of ringing and limitations, the time is now. Click the link below and discover how Quietum Plus can transform your life. Don't wait until tomorrow to experience the peace you deserve today. Quietum Plus is here to bring back the silence and tranquility you've been missing.